Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This is a diamond painting kit. I was contacted by a company called victoriasmoon.com to review one of their diamond paintings. When they contacted me, I checked out their website and then I went on YouTube to see exactly what a diamond painting was, and I was really excited about it. What it is sort of like painting by numbers, except you will be using some little stones that are called drills. They have sort of a reflective quality, so once the painting is completed, it sort of shimmers with the light, and I think it is absolutely stunning. I chose sort of I don't know what to call it, I guess a macabre kind of picture. Of course, it has a skull. It involves a skull because y'all know I'm obsessed with skulls. But anyway, looking forward to creating the painting. I'm gonna post a link down below with a discount code so you guys can go check them out and pick up one if you choose to. I highly recommend it because this is a super relaxing project. I have already started on it. Again, this is just the unboxing, but I'm going to come back in another video and show you the process. But right here, this is the adhesive canvas, and I'm showing you the sort of what is it, like code or the number grid, so you can match the colored drill with the number. Basically, again, it's paint by numbers. You can kind of see the image of the painting there. Hopefully my camera focused enough for you to see that, but that's sort of the image that I'm going to be creating once this is finished. So in the kit, rather, you get all the drills that you need, the colors and everything for the painting, as well as the tools that you'll need to complete this painting. And it's really simple. Like I said, if you've ever done paint by numbers, you can definitely do this. Everything came neatly packaged, and here I'm just taking out a few of the drills to show you what they look like. Each package of drills has a number, or the code, I guess, if you will, so that you can match that number with the number on the canvas. So yeah, and there are quite a few colors involved in this painting, but I'm super excited about it. I'm really loving how it's turning out. So again, you'll see it in another video. And here I'm showing you the reflective quality that the drills have. So like I said earlier, once you finish the painting, it sort of sparkles or shimmers in the light. And right here, I'm just showing you each package again has the coordinating number to help you follow along, if you will, when you're creating the painting. And this sheet has the same little grid with the numbers and everything that's on the painting, so you can, use it as a reference when you're creating your project. And this is the tool that's needed to adhere everything to your canvas. And again, I'll go into this in another video, but it's super cool. And you also get these other accessories along with it to help you out. In here, As you can see, you have some tweezers to help you pick up the drills if necessary. And you also get this little tool right here, and I'll go into more detail later. And you get a little tray that'll help you collect your beads, or keep up with the drills, should I say, and put them back into the little bags or whatever. And you also get these little sheets. Again, in the next video, I'll explain all that. But I just wanted to get this unboxing to you guys. And this is super simple and fun. It is a bit time consuming, but again, this is something that you'll do watching TV, listening to an audiobook, and it'll definitely help you relax and to de-stress. So check out that link below for the discount code so that you guys can pick up one, because I think you'll really enjoy this. I'm loving it. And here I'm just going to show you the canvas. And what you do is you peel back the protective strip, and you can see it's adhesive, and you can see the grid with the coordinating numbers. I'm hoping my camera is picking it up. But again, it's just like painting by numbers, except you're just using the drills. And all you do is apply them to the sticky part of the canvas. So again, we'll get into it in another video, but super excited. Well, that's going to do it for this unboxing. Again, check out victoriasmoon.com. I'll have the link below, as well as a discount code for 10% off. So I will see you in the next video and show you the progress that I've already made with this painting. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.